How I got 100,000 visitors to my free blogger site in just 1 month. Hi everyone, I'm not a fan of long introductions, so let's get straight to the point. Let's take a look at the results from the last 30 days. By the way, this website is completely free on Blogger, which means I don't have a custom domain or even hosting, just a free Blogger blog. In the past 30 days, I've received nearly 100,000 visitors. Now let's check the traffic sources, which are many, but the most important ones for me are Google and Bing, because as you know, these are high-quality sources. Here are the operating systems that my visitors use. Now we come to the two most important points, keywords and the top countries driving traffic to my site. Regarding the keywords, as you can see, I chose highly competitive keywords with a very high CPC cost per click. Of course, that means a lot of competition for these keywords, but even so, I managed to get a lot of traffic. This means one thing. My website is showing up in search results when people look up these keywords. The second point is, where are these visits coming from? Or in other words, which countries are sending this traffic? Most of the traffic is coming from the United States, Germany, France, and Canada. This means it's top-tier country traffic, which is high-quality traffic. Now let's talk about why I have a site like this and how I can make money from a free site like this. Initially, when I started this site, it was just an experiment, but I focused on not making the main source of income from ads. Let's be honest, ads aren't the fastest or the best way to make money from your website. Don't get me wrong, they can be profitable based on my experience, but they're not the most lucrative. My strategy was to make money through affiliate marketing. Unlike ads, affiliate marketing allows you to earn money even with just 50 or 100 visitors to your site if you do it the right way. And don't worry, I'm not here to leave you in the dark about my strategy and how this free website actually brings me over $12,000 just through affiliate marketing. Take a look at the articles on this site. I've only published 4 articles so far, but each article contains an affiliate link to a specific product that I know people interested in the targeted keyword will be interested in. The first article targets people interested in Instagram growth and marketing, so the article includes a product that offers these services. The second article targets those looking for keyword research or SEO tools, so the product is a tool that provides that. The third and fourth articles target those interested in email marketing, and as you can see, it's natural for the tools mentioned to offer these services. Simply, don't write an article about a problem without providing the solution and explaining how this tool can solve the problem for your audience. That's my strategy in a nutshell. But the question is, how do you do that? How do you make sure that this keyword has an audience that is ready to buy? Because let's be realistic. If you target an audience interested in entertainment, they're just there for fun. For example, an audience for memes or funny articles, they're not interested in buying anything. They're just looking for a dopamine hit. So when you're planning to write an article, keep that in mind and ask yourself this question. What can I sell to this audience after providing them with the value or information they're looking for? If you have a way to sell something to them, then that audience is worth your time. Now back to the main point. After choosing the target audience, write a complete article for them using the keywords you've identified. Here's how I do it. I use a tool to write my articles. And yes, it uses AI. But this tool is very different from the tools you see every day. I'm not just going to ChatGPT and typing, "Give me a long, boring article about Instagram marketing." No, I do it in a different way. Let me show you the tool. When you open the tool, you'll find a menu, and it can write many things. Articles from main titles, subheadings, even a full article, books, emails, and it can even do keyword research, SEO, among other things. But for the purpose of this video, we'll use the tool to write a professional, complete article. Yes, the tool uses ChatGPT to write the article, but hold on. This isn't the usual way of generating articles that give everyone the same results. Just wait and see the outcome for yourself. First, the tool asks you to define the topic or niche for the article. We'll choose how to make money online in 2024. Then, it asks you how many keywords you want to generate for this topic and lets you choose the type of keywords you want, most searched or least competitive. We'll choose the most searched, then click on Generate Prompt and move to the next step. The tool will then create a prompt for ChatGPT based on the data you entered. All we have to do is copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT and watch the magic happen. Look, ChatGPT provided a list of keywords for the topic we selected, along with all the data and statistics related to those keywords, including monthly search volume, CPC, and competition level. But wait, that's just the beginning. The next step is to select the keywords you want to rank for, identify your target audience, and decide how many subheadings you want for your article. You can also choose the tone of the article. We'll go with engaging. Then we click on Generate Prompt and proceed to the next step. We copy the prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. Now look, we got 3 subheadings, each with 5 points that can be subtopics in our article. All we need to do is select the headings we want and paste them into the tool. Choose the tone, specify the word count for each paragraph, and paste in the headings we selected. Then we click on Generate Prompt and go to the next step. We paste the prompt into ChatGPT. Now look at that. Our article has been written professionally, optimized for the keywords we selected, and ready to rank in search results. All we need to do is add some images, and it's ready to be published. If you want to get this tool, just follow these steps. Go to the channel, then check the channel's description. Click this link, and you will find all the tools mentioned in the video from that link. And if you can achieve the same results and create articles like the ones generated by the tool without using it, or if you're a pro at using ChatGPT, then there's no need to use the tool. But honestly, the tool is effective and comes with many features that make all your daily tasks much easier. The choice is yours. To prove it to you, what do you say if I publish an article on a brand new free blogger blog and see if I can get traffic to this article within the first week? Here's the blog. Here's the article. I just added an image, and I'm going to publish it with the targeted keywords. Notice today's date. It's Saturday, October 5th. Now I'll just request indexing for the blog on Google Console so it appears in the search engines. Here's a quick tip. Most people think indexing takes a long time because they try to index individual articles instead of the whole site. Request indexing for the site, not just the articles, as individual articles take time to be reviewed, whereas the site can be indexed within 1 to 3 days at most. Let's come back after a few days and see the results.